With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so we are given with a question which says a rod of length capital L is sliding on a frictionless surface as shown in the figure. Velocity of end of A is given as 4 meter per second along the wall. We need to find the velocity of end B, and B makes an angle of 30 degree with the wall PQ as we can see in the figure. So what we can do over here is the velocity of VA, let's suppose it has to be VA over here, and as we can see this is a case of constrained motion. So if we the rod slides towards rightward, we can say, so this B point will travel in the downward direction along the rod only. Alright, so we can say this will be the, let's suppose, velocity of VB. So let's suppose we are considering distance of point A from Q to B as x, and distance of B from point Q, let's suppose it has to be y. Alright, we are considering the axis to be, this axis to be as a x, and along this as to be y. So from here we can see clearly, as we can see, as VA moves, as point A moves along x-axis, so the distance x starts increasing. So we can say VA can be written as plus of dx by dt. Alright, because the rate at which it is changing is positive. Similarly, we can say for VB, as we can see B is coming down, so the distance y or displacement y is getting reduced, so we can write it as minus dy by dt. Also we will try to develop constraint relation with in this. So we can say we have been given with length of rod as to be as L, so we can write from figure, we can say x square plus y square will be equals to L square. By Pythagoras we are writing. Therefore if we differentiate this equation with respect to time, so what we can get is, we can write this term will be nothing but it can be written as 2x into dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt, and that is equals to 0 over here. So from both sides 2 will get cancelled out, so what we are left with is x, and dx by dt we can write it as to be VA. So dx by dt is positive in our case, so we can write it can be written as 2x VA minus of 2y VB. Since we can see dy by dt is negative in our case, so that will be equals to 0. So therefore from here we can say x VA will be equals to y VB, and we are interested in finding this value of VB, so we can write VB will be equals to x by y into VA. The value of VA has been given to be as 4 meter per second into x by y. So from figure we can say x by y will be nothing but it can be written as 1030. 1030 is opposite upon adjacent. So from this we can say, here we can give the reason 1030 is x upon y. From the figure we can see it. Therefore the value of VB comes out to be 1030 is nothing but it is root 3. So answer comes out to be root 3, 4 root 3 meter per second. So this is what the velocity of point B we are getting. So if we compare it with the option, we can say option C is the right answer to this question. So I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.